Hey, would you like to know why is FP&A an attractive career option for so many accounting professionals? If yes, then please make sure that you watch the entire video. I always create these videos to help young finance professionals like you to get started on your FP&A journey. In this video, we will cover from where did the FP&A function originate and how is it different from accounting. Second, what do FP&A teams do and why do companies need an FP&A department? Third, we will look at why has FP&A become an attractive career option for so many accounting professionals. Fourth, what are the skills that accounting and auditing professionals possess that can be transferred to an FP&A role? And finally, we will look at some of the new skills that will be required. FP&A has originated from accounting. I will say that once again. FP&A has originated from accounting. For many years, the accounting department of the company was enough to report numbers and do the regulatory filing. However, in the last 15 to 20 years, many companies have realized that they need people with core finance and communication skills in order to improve their budgeting, forecasting, and internal reporting functions. And at the same time, the businesses have grown and changed. With the huge volume of data and the powerful computing technology available now, the companies have realized that they need more comprehensive financial analysis to make data-driven and informed decisions. Here is a quick side-by-side comparison of the FP&A and the accounting department. The accounting team is responsible for closing the books, doing the statutory compliance, preparing the P&L income statement balance sheet. On the other hand, the FP&A team is responsible for budgeting, forecasting, and management reporting for internal decision making. Accounting team records the transactions and focuses on what happened, while the FP&A team focuses on why it has happened and what will happen in the future. The job of the FP&A team is to answer the question where the company should put the money to work to create most value for its customers and shareholders. Accounting is responsible for statutory reporting, while FP&A is responsible for management reporting. FP&A serves the management and the business leaders who want a blend of financial and operational metrics. The format for accounting is standardized and it must comply with state rules such as generally accepted accounting principles like the US GAAP or the IFRS. On the other hand, management reporting is not bound by these rules and therefore they can create reports that suit the management and are tailored to different users throughout the organization. And it usually includes visualizations, dashboards, and scorecards. Accounting reports are a snapshot of company's financial state at a given point in time and is signed by the company's executives for its accuracy. FP&A, on the other hand, is a lot more forward-looking and less precise with various scenarios and outcomes. So what FP&A teams basically do is they help the CFO, CEO, and the other senior management to make decisions. And how they do that? They do that by collecting information from various departments in the organization, by organizing that information at one place, by analyzing that information, and presenting that information to senior management in a way that makes it easier for them to then make those business decisions. So that is the basic role of FP&A, to help the senior management make effective business decisions. And how they do that is by helping the company in the budgeting process, in forecasting the financials of the company, and then doing a lot of internal management reporting to the senior management, which helps them make decisions. So what they do in the budgeting part is that they work with the different departments of the company and collect the inputs that are required for preparing the budget. Once those inputs are collected, they consolidate them, they review those inputs, and then present the final budget to the CFO and CEO. Similarly, in forecasting, what they do is they work on various financial models that are used to forecast the financials of the company. And basically, the job is to create those financial models and update those financial models and use those models to then forecast the financials of the company. And finally, reporting is they prepare a lot of management reports which are used internally by various senior people in the company, which helps them, those reports help them take business decisions. Next, let's look at why is FP&A becoming increasingly attractive to accounting professionals. The first reason is that it has fewer regulations and is a less compliance oriented role compared to accounting. And the second reason is that it is very conceptual, so this makes it very attractive for accountants who are looking at more business focused and commercial roles. Next, let's look at some of the skills that accountants and auditors can bring to the FP&A profile. A strong understanding of the financial and accounting principles, an understanding of the relationships between the various financial and non-financial variables. Accountants generally have a very good understanding of what's behind the numbers, along with very detailed knowledge of the company's financial systems. Accountants have a very good understanding of the nuances in the data and they know how and where to dig into them. Accountants also possess a good business acumen, which is the product, business, and the industry knowledge. While the accounting principles do bring a lot of knowledge to the FP&A roles, there are some gaps that must be bridged. Here are some skills that accountants or auditors need to acquire to get into a new FP&A role. The ability to look at the bigger picture and the ability to look forward, and business partnering, which requires soft skills such as communication, negotiation, storytelling, and influencing skills. Please do like this video and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you are looking to start your career into FP&A, then be sure to subscribe this channel and keep tuning in for more videos like these.